That looks like a good pile of wood for a Labor Day weekend bonfire. Bunch of ant-infested jack pine. We cut this down after the ice storm and stacked it, and I don't even know where the tree stump is now. Somewhere around here. Had to get the trail open, which we did. Now it's time to burn. Yeah, I mean, if I would have left it on the ground there, by spring it would have just been a big pile of rot that I couldn't do anything with. Plus, it's either got bees or ants. We're going to give those guys a new home. Bradley J.